How to log into TikTok website using QR code from TikTok app. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is simply a phone with the TikTok app installed and logged in. Then navigate to the TikTok's official website in your browser as well. Now there, tap on the login button available at the left hand side panel. And once you tap on the login, you'll get to see some options available on your screen. From there, choose QR code. So here, let me tap on it. Now there you can see there is login with QR, email and other options available at the top tab. Make sure to tap on the QR. Now, simply from the phone, all you have to do is scan this QR code. You can obviously use the camera app as well, but just make sure that you are logged in with the TikTok account in your phone. Then, as you can see, I'm directly logged into my account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.